Good morning, everyone. This is Daniel, the Artist Meteorologist for the Severe Weather Center Weather Forecast Office in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. And today's weather will be strong thunderstorms later in the day. And it'll be high temperature, it'll be 20 degrees Celsius. Feels like 22. Gusty later on this afternoon. And the wind is coming from the northeast at 23 kilometers per hour. Wind gusts will be 39 kilometers per hour. Relative humidity is 73%, and pressure is rising to high 1.3 kilopascals. And tonight will be some rain overnight with a low temperature of 13 degrees Celsius. It feels like 11. Remind everyone to bring your umbrellas today. And let's take a look at the 4-day weather forecast. On Wednesday is rain. High 17 degrees Celsius and the low will be 11 degrees Celsius. And then we're going to move on to Thursday is mainly sunny. High 22 degrees Celsius and low 12 degrees Celsius. And now on Friday is cloudy periods. High 21 degrees Celsius and low 12 degrees Celsius. And on Saturday is mainly sunny. High 24 degrees Celsius and low 14 degrees Celsius. Next, yesterday's high is 24.6 degrees Celsius. And yesterday's low is 9.9 degrees Celsius. And yesterday was a little bit quite warm. And now the warmest temperature was in 1960 at 32.2 degrees Celsius. That was really hot that year. The coldest temperature was in 1925 at 3.9 degrees Celsius. You can follow me at www.thunderstormsweatherman.com. You can follow us on Facebook. You can download my Accurate Weather app. Follow weather on Instagram. Keep tracking me in your communities, your local 4-day weather forecast. And have a nice day. Yeah.